Hi, welcome to another local feature, and today I'm going into a place where you can do chocolate workshops or you can take one home with you. So come with me. So we've made our chocolate from the do-it-yourself home kit from Chocolicious, and I have the chocolates here. And if you have chocolates like anything like pralines, I recommend not going too few and not too many, so somewhere between 4 to 8. And chocolate is one of those special products. It's a luxury indulgent product, and to kind of create that special feel, I'm going to use some nice dishes here. I have my dishes here, and I'm going to use a candle to kind of create that cozy luxury kind of feel, as well as glassware. So I have a champagne flute, and you can use any other sort of glassware that you would like. And I'm going to use some placemats that I have here and a tablecloth in the same color tone. And also I grabbed a dish out of my cupboard to kind of help create that kind of luxury feel and the coziness feel that comes with chocolate. And the other important aspect of creating this kind of feel to photographing chocolate is I recommend using low light, meaning right now I'm photographing on an overcast day, and moving your table a little bit further away from the window, and then also moving the table up next to a darker background or a cozier background. So this could be a wallpapered background, and I have a dark background behind me, which I'm going to show you how I'm going to use that background. And this will kind of help create a more intimate, cozy feel that leads to that anticipation of that you're going to have when you're about to eat a piece of chocolate. So let's get started.